All right, welcome back to Nick and Krysta Do Wine. This is day 6 on the Costco Wine Advent Calendar. Let's get to it.
Today we have a 2019 Pinot Grigio from Moldova. This wine is called Ballun, and this is actually from one of the wine regions within Moldova called Codru, which is in the central region. So the Pinot Grigio grape is also commonly known as a Pinot Gris, spelled Gris. These are
It's like gray in Spanish.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Might not be any relation. Anyway.
But this grape is a very, very common grape. It's grown all over the world. So some flavors to look for in a Pinot Grigio or a Pinot Gris are white peach, lemon zest, cantaloupe,
Raw almond,
and a gravel flavor.
I got one. I totally didn't read that from the Wine Folly Handbook. Wait, what's it called?
The Wine Folly Master Guide.
Master Guide. Yeah, all up in here. Cool. So, okay, we got those flavors. So tell me about, this is one of the first white wines. This is the first white wine we're, recording and shooting. So what kind of thing or what like, just red and white, right?
Yeah, so again, Pinot Grigio, this one's still going to be a drier white wine. Usually they're not oaked, so there's going to be a nice tartness to this wine. The Pinot Grigio grape, as it's grown all around the world, you can get a lot of different flavors and textures out of it. My personal favorite Pinot Grigios come out of Italy.
Italians do know wine.
So I will say this is the first Moldovan wine that I've ever tried, so I'm pretty excited for this one. And again, this is why I love the Costco Advent Calendar so much, is that gives you a lot of freedom to explore and try different varietals in different regions that you might not have actually grabbed off the shelf to begin with.
Yeah, awesome, cool. All right, well, let's bust into this thing.
All right.
Awesome.
All right.
So you did, I noticed we chilled this. Is there a reason for that?
So white wines are typically served at a colder temperature than reds are. The ideal temperature for reds are between 45 and 55 degrees.
Fahrenheit?
Yes, 45 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit.
That'd be very hot in Celsius.
So the reason for this is that I'm sure if you remember from chemistry, the way that the molecules are, like take water, for example. The colder water gets, the more solid it becomes. You have less molecule movement. So ice, everything's pretty solid. Water, you have more, the molecules can move around more freely. And then with steam or boiling water, they're vaporizing. So it's kind of the same thing with wine, but we don't go to those extremes. But the temperature will actually affect how fast the molecules within the wine are moving. So it's going to change the flavor and the smells that you get from it.
Okay, so white wine's cool. Red wine's, not warm, but warmer.
Yeah, like basement temperature, really good.
Gotcha. Okay. All right. So what do we got for color?
Okay.
It's clear. It's not dark.
Yes. So this is a very, very pale yellow. And so the other thing that this tells you is that there's not a lot of color to it. So it has not been oaked at all. It has not been put into an oak barrel.
What has it? What kind of barrel? If not
usually
oak?
At this point, stainless steel.
Stainless steel? Wow, like a big drum. Okay.
Yeah, or a big reactor vat.
Gotcha. Okay. So we got slow moving legs, guys. You know what that means? High in alcohol content. Let's see. What was the one? I think we had 15% for one of them. So we are looking at 13%, so not that high. Didn't we have a 13.8 yesterday?
Yes.
And that one I feel like moved faster than this. Anyway, you guys see this, so you can see how I'm getting better at swirling these.
Yeah, there you go, babe.
We'll see. I'll have to practice with my left hand more, but getting the right one down.
Ooh, this one smells really good.
It smells fruity. It smells like bright, if that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I don't know.
Yes. So to me, you're getting more of a citrus scent.
Yeah.
I definitely get some minerality scent, like minerality to it. So to me, that's coming out as like the wet rock kind of gravelly scent.
Crushed gravel, gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Can
okay.
you smell that?
Nope. It smells like. Never mind. We're not gonna go there. It's too soon. I haven't even drank the thing.
Oh
yet.
gosh! All right. Well, let me write down my note. It smells like sunshine.
It's kind of chill. It's like it's really chill. Like it honestly. I don't know. It's like just kind of like I'd call it like sparkling juice. Like it's just kind of like not. I don't know. It's not super flavorful.
It feels more sweet to me than anything.
Definitely kind of sweet, but like just barely. Like you say, a little bit tart.
I feel like there's good acidity to this one. It's not as acidic as some of the other ones we've had, but there is...
Yeah, it's definitely a little salivation action.
Yeah.
How would you, what do you think about the tannins? How are the tannins in this bad boy?
I get literally none.
0 tannins.
No tannins. So tannins are actually not very common in white wines.
Okay. Yeah. Remember that. Okay. So, almost no tannins, which is good, because normally white wines don't have many tannins. Mm-hmm. It's kind of chill. I feel like sparkling juice, almost. Like I don't really taste any alcohol to it. It doesn't have much kick. Mm-mm. It's like a little tart, but it's not like...
It's not a bad Pinot Grigio. It's kind of falling a little flat in terms of
it is
a Pinot Grigio.
Like if I'm especially to like buy some wine, like I want some flavor to it. And this guy doesn't seem to have a whole lot of flavor. What do you think?
No, there's not a lot of flavor to it, but again, I might have it just a little bit too cold as well. So
okay, maybe some of the flavors are being masked a little bit by the temperature. Okay, gotcha. Good to know. I could see this is like like those Aperol spritzes, like a summery drink. Just kind of like sipping this in summer, like at a little garden party, and you're like, oh, I'm just gonna, what's that in your glass, mommy? Oh no, that's just juice. Can I have some? No. just kind of chill.
No. Yeah. Yep. Oh, Pinot Grigio is my go-to in the summer for when it's hot out because it chills well. It's absolutely delightful. The flavors are good, bright and summery.
Yeah, just like a good summery, like kind of Okay. Anyway. Cool. So what, I know I kind of threw one in there, a little garden party action, but what do you think overall about the Ballun? Would you go and get this? How does it compare?
I actually really do enjoy this Ballun Pinot Grigio. I would buy this again, and now knowing a little bit more about Moldova and how there's different regions within Moldova for the wine producing, I would actually be more willing to go out of my way and search out for some of these wines and give this region a shot.
Okay. Would you do it to like just kind of taste test, or do it because you're like, this is kind of like, okay, Moldova, sweet, I want like good enough. It's above the threshold.
No, I would do it kind of taste test too, and because you never know what you're gonna find in some regions. Like there are some that really, really surprise you. So I think this one I would definitely get again though. I do like this.
Gotta catch them all the sub-regions.
Yes.
Ask me what I think about the taste of this.
What do you think about the taste of this?
Tastes like grapes.
Oh god.
But the green kind this time, not the purple kind. Cool. All right then. That is the 2019 Ballun Pinot Grigio from Moldova. You said Kodru?
Kodru.
The Kodru subregion of Moldova. That is day 6 of Nick and Krysta Do Wine. Not sure about the rest of the week, how we're going to be able to do some of these videos. I know I'm not going to be at my computer as much in the evening, so stay tuned for the next episode. And cheers.
Cheers.
No, that was weak. We can do better than that.